This is how you're going to link Payoneer to eBay. So this process is part of eBay's managed payment setup, where Payoneer is an option for sellers outside the US. First, you're going to log into your eBay seller hub. So you can find the sell right here at the top of your screen. And then once you click on sell, it will immediately take you to the seller hub overview. Now from here, you can find all of these tabs. You're just going to click or hover your mouse over payment, and then let's just click on a summary for now. Now, once you're in your summary section or your financial summary, you're going to scroll down until you find your preferences and then the payouts section. Now, from here under the payout method, you're going to click on manage. Now, this is where you can select a payout method. You can choose to link an existing bank account or the equivalent option for international banks. Now, from here, we're just going to make sure that we are logged into an account. So I'm going to log back in, or going to sign back into my Google account into eBay using my Google account. And then this is actually necessary just for security purposes because we are accessing a bank account technically that is connected into this. Now after that, we can just click on Payoneer as our payout method, and then from there you're just going to click on save. Now if you don't have your Payoneer here yet, you can just click on add payout method right here, and then you're going to select Payoneer from the options available. Now from here, just going to click on continue, and then you're going to input the necessary Payoneer details like account name, routing number, account number, exactly as they appear in your Payoneer account. Now, eBay will verify the details, which can take a few days, but once verified, Payoneer will be your default payout method. Now, after that, you're just going to click on Add Payoneer Account, and that's it. That is how you're going to link Payoneer to eBay. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.